Flying predators. All right, new words to practice. Say each word 10 times. We have eagle. Eagle. An eagle is a type of bird. Talon. Talon. Talons are the claws that birds, especially like eagles, have. Feathers. Feathers. Ontinent. Ontinent. You know what? I'm not sure this is supposed to be ontinent. I think this is supposed to be continent. And continent is a large landmass. Like, there's 7. So you have Antarctica, Australia, Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America. Predator. Predator. Predators are animals. People are predators as well. Animals that hunt other animals for food. Prey. Prey. Prey is the animals that are hunted for food. Slippery. Slippery. That one should be okay with you guys. Wiggling. Wiggling. All right, so choose one word and write it on the line. I'm going to do eagle. All right, flying predators. What type of an eagle has rough bumps on its toes? What type of eagle has short, strong toes? What type of eagle has huge claws or talons that are 5 inches, 13 centimeters long? What type of an eagle has feathers on its legs? Eagles are found on every continent except one. Eagles do not live on the continent of Antarctica. They are found in deserts, jungles, swamps, and forests. Some eagles live in mountains, and some eagles live near the ocean. All eagles are predators. They eat other animals. They are good hunters. When eagles hunt, they can hit their prey very hard. A bald eagle, for example, can strike its prey with twice the force of a rifle bullet. There are 4 groups of eagles. Looking at an eagle's foot can help you figure out what group these flying predators fit into. Fish and sea eagles are one group. These eagles live near water. They eat fish and water birds. Why do these eagles have rough bumps on their toes? Think about fish. Fish are very slippery. The bumps help the eagles hold on to the slippery fish. Snake eagles hunt snakes most of the time. They also hunt lizards and frogs. Snake eagles live where they can find snakes to eat. Snake eagles usually swallow snakes whole. A wiggling snake is hard to hold. Snake eagles' short, strong toes are perfect for keeping a tight hold on a wiggling snake. Harpy eagles are very big. They live in forests and prey on large animals. They need big talons to grab onto monkeys and tree sloths. Sometimes they use their big talons to hunt deer. Booted eagles make up the last group. This is the only group of eagles that has feathers on its legs. The feathers go down to the bird's feet like boots. Booted eagles are found almost everywhere eagles can live. Smaller booted eagles have smaller toes and claws for catching smaller prey. Bigger booted eagles have larger feet and talons for catching bigger prey. All right, let me move my paper over so we can get to the questions. All right, this story is mainly about predators, catching prey, where eagles live, eagle groups, and their feet. This is D, eagle groups and their feet. What kind of eagle group sometimes hunts deer? All right, so let's look for deer. Okay, so we have sometimes big talons to hunt deer. So let's go back. We want harpy eagles. If an eagle has short, strong toes, it probably eats fish, eats snakes, eats small mammals, eats large mammals. All right, so let's look. So why do they have rump bumps? They don't say anything about the length. So, smaller booted eagles have smaller toes and claws for catching smaller prey. So we probably want, catching smaller prey. Highlight that one. So we eat small mammals. All right, think about how the word claw relates to talon. Which words relate in the same way? So we have prey, eat, fish, water, tooth, tusk, snake, slippery. Now, a claw is another word for talon. So tooth would be, well, or tusk, I should say. Tusk would be another word for a type of tooth. What might be the reason why fish or sea eagles don't have feathers on their legs? The feathers would make the eagles too heavy. The feathers would make it easier for the fish to see the eagle. It would be easy for the feathers to get wet when the eagle hunted. The feathers would make it hard for the eagle to hold a fish with its toes. I'm gonna say E or C or D, but probably C. They would get wet when they went in the water.